Hey everyone, this is Jan and you are watching my little daily indie game dev on Thursday the 28th May 2026. The future. No jetpacks though. And my coffee, it's cold. What to do? Anyway, I had some thoughts. There's been lots of organizing this week about my top-down adventure game, which you can see here. Let's press play immediately, controller in hand, and I have thoughts. I love writing dialogue, stories, but I don't always like it in my games. Do you have that? Or maybe I should be more specific. Like when you're playing an RPG or an adventure game, yeah, that can be a lot of story. Is the story going to be told to you like a novel, where it's literally, this is the story every time you play the game, and you're just going through it? It can be fun, right? Like an interactive visual novel. That's awesome. But it's also awesome when things are randomized a little bit more, when there's a bit more interaction, and when you have dialogue trees. Always wanted to write those. Now, when I play old school games myself, what I found really exciting back in the day sometimes gets on my nerves. Like you want to start playing a game and it's like press A for the next 10 minutes as you're trying to get through these cutscenes that set up the story, instead of just letting me play, because they don't give you the option to skip them. So I thought about that a little bit more, and my little game here, my little angry elf, I created a mock-up title screen the other day, found out that elf in Japanese is erufu, which I thought was funny. So angry erufu it is for now. And as you can see, we've got fire and we've got little dialogue pop up. Now this is just a little thought, right? Like it doesn't impact the player. It doesn't, I mean, it's just on screen for a second. It's funny the first time, but it adds a bit of character. And I just created this quick little system where, besides creating a child character of the enemy over there for a flame so that you can get hurt like that. It's Thursday, things are going well. I've got flames, I can walk by them, I can walk behind them, I can walk in front of them, I can walk into them, and I can get hurt. And there's little monologues popping up, random lines of monologue. I've got 10 already, so it's going pretty good. I'm off to a good start. And that had me thinking, telling stories, character, all that. I'm thinking, I thought, like when you die, you get that game over screen. And I remember that disappointed look on Yoda's face when he died in the Super Empire Strikes Back on the Super Nintendo, with his ear drooping down when it's game over time, right? And that was like a running thing they had in that series, where a character would look at you like, I think I got a nice little twist on that. I think I want to have the game over screen trigger a dialogue tree with a character that helps flesh out what is happening, that helps tell some backstory at some points in time, not always. You can completely skip it, it's not important, but it adds to the atmosphere. And I don't think I've ever seen that before. I just don't know how to implement it right now. So, because it means I have to go back through all these systems that have been set up that I haven't looked at in months, to add to the pile of things that I have to do that we talked about on Monday. If you haven't seen that video, hit subscribe. There's more incoming. And you can always look in the top corner for some more videos to catch up on. Catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.